I am excited to share with you our brand new line, Neenah Stardream Cardstock. This is a 105-pound cover cardstock, so it's a little bit heavier than typical cardstock. It would be considered the heavyweight cardstock, and it has a beautiful metallic sheen, kind of a pearlescent sheen. You can see it when the light catches it. It's just a real fine mica glitter coating that makes it just absolutely beautiful. So it comes in 28 different colors, and it's got a little bit of everything. There's several different golds. There's like a gold and a copper, some reds. There's lots of really pretty blues. You can see when the light hits them how pretty they are. And what I also love about this is that it actually, if you're a Cricut or Silhouette cutter, it cuts great. Look at that intricate cut. This is cut in the black Neenah Stardream, and it just cuts beautifully. And Kate from our design team also did some manual die cutting, which turned out wonderful too. So this is a great cardstock to add to your stash. It kind of has the feel of basic cardstock, but it has something special. So you can use it as a base layer, or you can use it as an accent. It's also fabulous for dimensional projects because it is nice and sturdy and then has that pretty sheen to it. So go check it out at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop.